Hello, fellow centurions. If you're here, then you're ready for another adventure. Alright, hello fellow adventurers. Today I'm here with my brand new subscription service box, Bokksu box. It's supposed to be premium Japanese snacks from different regions in Japan. The very first box that you get once you sign up is supposed to be the Four Seasons pack. This is the package it comes in. See, you've got a nice little logo there. It says Bokksu.com on the back. And it says Japanese premium snacks there, or premium Japanese snacks, whatever, on the side there. Alright, well, open this thing up, see what we got. Alright, discover Japan through snacks, right there. You get a nice little booklet here that's supposed to have information about the different snacks and the regions they come from. They're all like small little mom and pop things. You get a thank you here from the owner. Very nice. Ooh, you get some tea. Oh, yeah. Japanese green tea blended with roasted rice. Gin matcha. Should be some good stuff there. Oh, you get whatever this is. Get two of them. Get some, looks like fries. Looks like flavored. And whatever this is. Get some of these. Some of these. And yuzu sake candy. That sounds pretty good. Also get some Hokkaido red bean donuts. That sounds good too. Get whatever this is. Not really sure. Looks like a cookie. Alright, cookie. Some kind of panda looking thing. Alright. Some kind of fishy thing. Whatever this is. You get two of them. Pear fromage biscuit. Sounds good. Get some kind of cake. Looks like here. Looks like matcha. Oh, we get some mochi. I love mochi. It's going to be some good stuff there. And then you get two little small, whatever these are. Looks like white strawberry. Whatever it is, it's white strawberry. Alright, I'm going to put these back in the box and I'm going to open up the booklet and I'll show you the booklet. Okay, so the opening here, it says, "Welcome to Bokksu. We are so excited to start this journey to Japan with you. People from all around the world visit Japan to experience both tradition and innovation. When's the best time to enjoy Japan, you might wonder? Spring, summer, fall, and winter? They all have something to offer. That's why every box is handpicked to bring Japan to you. Explore the holidays, regions, and festivities one snack at a time. Each box comes with a culture guide like this one, where you can learn about each snack, the makers who make them, and the cultural inspiration for each snack box curation. The seasons of Japan. There's nothing quite like the changing leaf colors and the shift in the air that makes you feel alive. In Japanese culture, the ephemerality of the seasons echoes the greater ephemerality of life, making each day something to be cherished for the uniqueness it holds. Festivals throughout the year celebrate the beauty of each season, its beginning and its end." Alright, and each season has to offer this. Spring. Spring boasts a short burst of cherry blossoms that quickly fade away during the cherry blossom season. People gather for hanami, literally flower viewing. Friends and family sit beneath the flowers, enjoying good food and drinks. And I'm sorry about the train back there. What can you do? I live near the train tracks. Japan, during the summer, turns to citrus fruits to keep cool during intense heat waves. Citrus is there to keep natsubate, summer fatigue, at bay. Japan's summer festivals are also especially known for their fantastic firework displays and street food. Autumn. Take a hike under the fiery fall leaves and experience fall flavors like mushroom and apple in uniquely Japanese dishes. Like spring's hanami, Japan also celebrates koyo, or the changing leaves, and people head out for Mobijigari, literally autumn leaf hunting. And in winter in Japan always makes us think of the northern prefecture blanketed in fluffy white snow. Head out to one of the many snow festivals across the country and keep chilly nights at bay with grilled corn and roasted sweet potatoes found at a winter festival. Alright, so here's what these items are. This here, these I'll show you right here. Get real close to them right here. There you go. 3 different kinds of mochi. It is what's it? Mochan Dango Mochi, made by Yoshin Seika. Hanami Dango is a variety of sticky rice dumplings commonly enjoyed during the spring hanami, the flower viewing season. This trio of dango is covered in sugar and colored in the traditional pink, white, and green. And it is supposed to be sweet, which is always good. Alright, and then you got stick potato. It's Sopa Mucho Plum, made by Kwakiya. Like an ode to the Japanese plum, ume tree, every bite of these thin, crispy potato sticks carries the floral notes of plum blossoms, the sourceness of umeboshi, pickled plum, and the earthiness of shiso, perilla leaves. And this is more on the savory side, so not as sweet. Alright, and then you got this one here. Is a 20th century pear longu Jocha. And it is also by one of the Seika people, Kotobuki Seika. This delicate biscuit is a luxurious blend of 20th century Asian pear, rich cheese, and decadent white chocolate. So that's more on the savory side as well. And actually it says it's sweet, but I'm sure with the cheese it's going to be a little savory. And then you have these here, which are white strawberry. It's made by Bokksu. It's a Bokksu exclusive. And it says, this is the world's first chocolate-infused strawberry. Strawberries are harvested, freeze-dried, infused with white chocolate, and cooled for a chocolatey with all the flavor of fresh strawberry. Alright, we got this here. It's pretty interesting looking. Not really sure what it is, but I'm going to read it off to you. I got 2 of those. Those are Don Don Yaki. It's made by Kadu. Named after the sound of the beating taiko drums heard throughout festivals in Japan, these savory senbei are fried and marinated in tonkatsu tonkatsu sauce, my bad, for a flavor that is tangy, peppery, and a little sweet. And that is going to be savory, which I've had tonkatsu, which is pretty good. Looking forward to that. Alright, and this is part of the Bokksu Maker series here. Special, I guess, just for them. But it's handmade yuzu sake candy. And it's made by Bokksu and Daimonji. This candy is handcrafted by the artisans at Daimonji, exclusively for Bokksu. Our version blends yuzu juice and peel with sake for a refreshingly citrusy candy. This candy contains 0.1% alcohol content, so please consume responsibly. I'm pretty sure it's not going to be that bad. I've had actual sake, and yeah, it messed me up one time. It was very good. Be nice if it was like that, but this should taste pretty good because yuzu is a nice little citrus fruit. Should be good. Alright, then we have this right here, which you can see the packaging there. And this is seaweed tempura, Satuchi Sudachi. And I'm sorry if I'm butchering anything here because I have not studied any Japanese, so I'm just trying to make it through here. And it's made by Maruka Shokuhin. It says these addictive seaweed sheets are battered, fried, and flavored with native Japanese sudachi citrus to create a crisp and tangy snack that will leave your taste buds tingling. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do with this. I don't really care for seaweed, but I'm going to give it a try anyway, anyways. And then lastly, you have these little packages here. I got 2 of them. They are edamame senbei, and it's made by Senbei Lab. Made with summer harvested edamame bits. Baked into the cracker, the senbei is sprinkled with Kanako, which is roasted soybean powder, and has a deliciously nutty crunch. And edamame is basically like a bean, almost like a green bean or that kind of thing. All right, next we go into fall here. And we're going to start off here with the donuts from Hokkaido, which is known for its milk. It's some of the best milk, they say, on the planet. This is part of the Bokksu Maker series. It's Hokkaido Red Bean Donuts. It's made by Bokksu and Hanma. These delicious donuts are filled with anko red bean paste and made with azuki beans from Hokkaido. Comforting and rich, they're a perfect snack for colder weather. Which is good because, you know, our weather's been a little chilly lately. Not super cold, but a little bit. And then next you have a matcha chocolate stick cake. And it's made by Nakajima Taishodo. This soft cake uses matcha from Uji, Kyoto, which is known for its high quality matcha. Pairing earthy matcha with bittersweet chocolate chips gives this cake a rich, subtly sweet flavor. Looking forward to this. Matcha's supposed to be really, really good. I haven't actually had any, so this will be a new thing for me to try. Alright, this weird looking panda bear thing. Let's see here. Hopefully I'm getting that on camera. Is a black sesame taiko Kumaman design. And it's made by Iwata Corporation. Each of these seedy drums are handmade in Kumamoto, hometown of Kumaman, by roasting almonds and sesame seeds and mixing them by hand with muzame sugar syrup over heat. Then they're hand pressed in a disc and left to cool into this deliciously nutty snack. And lastly, from fall, we also have the Aomori Apple Caramel Yakoi Sable. And it's made by, I'm not even going to try that, Mr. Sasaki. This cookie uses apples exclusively from Aomori, Japan's Apple Prefecture. The addition of a sweet apple caramel butter gives this sable or sable style cookie a yakoi, which is soft and chewy, texture. Okay, and lastly, for wintertime, we're going to start here with these. I've got 2 packs of those. And they are Funwari Meijin Mochi Puffs, Kanako. Ichigo Seika transforms mochi into the crisp and airy texture of this cloud-like confection using a secret proprietary process. The puffs are finished with a dusting of Kanako, roasted soybean powder, for a wildly addicting sweet and nutty flavor. Those should be pretty good. I love mochi, so that sounds pretty good. And then you have the tea here, which gives you the brewing instructions and everything. Looking forward to that. It's organic Jinmaicha tea, or Jinmaika tea, whatever. And it's made by Bokksu. It's Jinmaicha is a combination of green tea and roasted brown rice. Rice was originally added to help extend a smaller amount of expensive tea across many cups. From its humble origins as a prudent economic measure, Jinmaicha has remained popular in Japan for its warm and comforting taste. I'm looking forward to drinking some of this here pretty soon. Alright, and for the fishy looking thing, there you go. Got the back of it there. It is Puku Puku Thai chocolate. And Thai, or red snapper, are associated with New Year's celebrations as a symbol of good fortune. This snack shares the lucky shape, but is filled with airy chocolate mousse, and 2 mochi wafers are a nod to a more traditional Japanese sweet, monaka. And I think I've had something like this, and it's pretty good, if it's similar to what I've had before. And lastly, you have a fan favorite here, and that's another one I'm not sure if I'm going to like, because I don't really like that heavily sea salty, you know, like briny depth thing, but it is a uni rice cracker, and it's made by Bokksu. These delicious fried crackers pull their lovely umami flavor from uni, which is sea urchin, and soy sauce. It's savory and salty without being overly fishy, and the cracker's oblong shank even looks like the actual sea urchin. So I'll definitely give that a try. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but hey, you never know until you try, right? And then once again, the map here, it shows you where everything comes from. And my little kitten's going crazy. And it has little fun facts in here, like it's Tokyo Tower with its Eiffel Tower inspired architecture. It is Japan's second tallest building. It says Islands of Japan. Japan is made up of nearly 7,000 islands. And then it shows here the makers, which I'm going to read this. It kind of like spotlights them. It's pretty neat stuff there. But I'm very much looking forward to getting this box every month and trying a little bit of the different regions of Japan and different themes that they have going on. I always like getting the Japanese snacks all the time, and there's another box out there that I want to try eventually. I'm going to give this one a go for a while here and see how it does. If it's good, I'm going to keep going. And eventually I'm going to try to pick up that other Japanese snack crate, because it actually has a drink inside of it instead of, like, this one just has tea or packets of tea, which is fine. I look forward to the tea. I love tea. So it should be interesting. All right, check it out next month whenever I come back on here with a new box. Until next time. All right, fellow Centurions, if you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you'll get updates whenever I drop new content. On this channel, I like to unbox things like figures and statues. I also like to do hiking and various travel related things. I also do unboxings for Comic Tom 101 and Bokksu Box. So please come back and check out my content. Thank you.